Hello there, my name is David Walker. Welcome to my studio in North Wales where I live and work. This series of watercolour courses is called Relax with Your HAKE basically, because we just use the HAKE brush. That's all we use, one brush. In this particular course we use just 6 colours. You've seen the course picture, you've seen how it ends up. We just basically have fun and make the painting. You know, when we were kids, we used to just get a brush, didn't we? A few colours, and we used to just splash it on the page and really enjoy ourselves. As we got older, everybody got more critical, didn't they? Your teachers used to say, "What's that you're painting?" Your friends used to say, "Mine's better than yours." And gradually we lose our confidence. Well, let's start again. Start with a blank piece of paper. Just a few colours. We only use 7 colours in all my courses, and in this particular course we use just the HAKE brush and 6 colours, piece of paper, and off you go. So it's all about enjoying it, it's about relaxing into the painting, and it's about enjoying your work. It's as simple as that. So, you know, you might have been an artist for quite a long time and you've got yourself bogged down and you've lost your confidence. Try again. Just keep on trying, because all you use is this brush. The reason I just use this brush is because it stops you messing and you get good results, I promise you. Now, you can do the course as often as you like. If you mess up the picture, just try again. We're going a nice steady rate, we do it step by step. Follow what I do and you shouldn't have any problems. You've got the course for life, like I say, so you can do it as many times as you want. And there's a full money back guarantee, so if you don't like the course, just get your money back. I'm sure you'll enjoy it though, especially if you get a good result like I have at the end of this one. I'll see you in the first lesson. Ta-ra!